Hey guys, what's up? In this video I'm gonna tell you about how you can create a YouTube thumbnail. So what the settings required for this is, first of all, this is Photoshop right here, and I'm gonna click new, and my width is 1280 and my height is 720, resolution is 72, and here you can type the name. So I've already created the file. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have to click first. You can make colorful or whatever you wanna make, but I'm just gonna make a simple one. I just wanted to show you how you can quickly create that. So what I'm gonna do is what I usually do is I do this rectangular tool and draw a whole rectangle over here, and my fill is this maroon color because it looks nice, and a little dark maroon would be much better. Oh no, not this one. How about this one? No, actually this one was much better. So I'm gonna type right here C#. Now I'm gonna go here, T, make a text box here, and what I'm gonna do is C. For a moment I'm gonna have to tell you that the text I'm using is agency FB. See, agency FB regular. So C#, well actually it's C# tutorial. Now the spelling of the tutorial is correct. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit Control Enter and go to my move tool, and I can move this over here. And keep in mind that we don't have to mess with the layers and all that. Leave those settings, because this is a very basic tutorial and how you can quickly create a thumbnail for YouTube video. What you can do is, if you're not satisfied with this size of this, I'm gonna click this and shift forward the forward arrow button, and control shift greater than sign. What it's gonna do is increase my text size, and if I do the less than sign right beside the M on my keyboard, so it's gonna reduce the size, but I'm gonna have to increase the size. There you go, much better. And I'm gonna go back to my move tool, and there you go. Make sure it's centered. It should not look bad, and I hope this is perfectly centered. No, now it's perfectly centered. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to File, Export, Quick Export as PNG, or export as Alt Shift Control W. So what I usually do is I hit Alt Shift Control W, because my settings are saved with the crispiest resolution. So let it process. Now I'm gonna hit the export button and I'm gonna export, and there you go. So that is how you make a thumbnail real quick. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.